Hello, this is Daryl for Thursday, the 14th of July 2016. This is the DE Market Summary. So, we want to thank everyone out there for the feedback we've been having on social media, especially LinkedIn and Google. Thank you so much. So, today the markets closed positive. What's our catalyst today? Well, the catalyst today is oil prices. Today we had oil prices rose 2%, and it was a big surprise because actually yesterday it fell horribly and a lot of people lose money, and those who actually were prepared for it were able to go in today and cover their short positions that they had. That was after the prices really got hammered yesterday by one of the weakest U.S. Fuel demand data. So it's really showing that we still have a fair amount of inventory of oil, and that is coming on the back of the fact that we are into the summer season, and there's a lot of demand for oil. So what will we have? Will we have weak summer oil prices straight through the summer? It's still left to be seen because we had data showing that the inventory is not as high as it was before, but there is still a considerable amount of inventory, right? So would it affect us going forward? There's also forecasting showing that we could have oil prices as high as $60 a barrel later this year, right? So would that start raising then in the summertime? So these are some of the concerns that we are having, right? But today was a major surprise, and investors really enjoyed it because it was across the board. It was both the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and also in Canada, they were all up, right? All the oil markets were up as well. But the major surprise today was what happened in the UK. So basically everyone was predicting an interest rate decrease in the UK. But what we had instead was a non-move in the UK. There was no move at all, right? As the Bank of England surprised everyone with a decision not to cut rates. What everyone is saying is that it is the situation, the economic situation in the UK is worse than they are saying. The real economic data will come in about April 2017. But right now, analysts are saying that there really should be cuts in preparation of what is about to happen. Because really what is happening now is the big international companies are moving their head offices from the UK to other areas that is part of the Union to cover Europe. The big banks are doing it, and all the other big companies, the big car companies and so forth. So it will absolutely affect the economy there. A number of analysts really were hoping that the Bank of England would have acted now in preparation of really what is to come. But instead, they seem to be waiting on August instead. Because really in August, they will have a full reading of what to expect and what is happening now. So let's see then what they do in August. But it was a major surprise. But it did not adversely affect the markets here in North America, which was good to see. Okay, what we had today was the Dow Jones average up 132.6 1 points to 18,504.73. The S&P 500 up 12.14 points to 2164.57. Really showing the high volume of trading that we had today. The Nasdaq up 29.14 points to 5034.86. Everyone in the positive today. So, could this continue tomorrow? We are saying absolutely. We are absolutely seeing that it could continue. What we had today too is the earnings of JP Morgan. It was very positive. We also are expecting the earnings of Wells Fargo tomorrow. And there's very good things expected for the earnings of Wells Fargo, and it could push the markets or keep it up, keep it in the positive. There's predicted that Wells Fargo is going to be showing that it is the highest earning bank in the world. All right, so be expecting that information tomorrow. Okay, so this is Daryl. This has been the DE Market Summary. You have a good day. Bye-bye.